Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to create a Facebook account. First of all, open up the Facebook app. After opening the app, click to create a new account. Then tap on Get Started to create your account, for which you have to enter your first and surname and then click on Next. Then select your date of birth and tap on Next. After that, select the gender for your profile and tap on Next. Now enter your mobile number and click on Next. Then enter your email and then tap on Next. After that, create a password for your account and click on Next. Now, tap on Save to save your login info. Then click on I agree from Facebook Terms and Policy. After that, enter the confirmation code which you receive on your email and click on Next. And tap to add a profile picture, or you can skip this step. Then, tap on Next until you successfully created your account. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.